Alright guys, today I wanna just show you how you can use PLC and braddley to design a simple warehouse door, a simple automatic warehouse door. And here what we have is a very simple design, but that can help you to go ahead and design your own warehouse automatic door. So basically the circuit to need a simple way on how you could stop everything in case of emergency, which is this button. This button will serve as to enlarge any movement, either moving, opening the door or closing the door. So once there is any case of emergency, you're gonna need to use this stop button to unlatch everything. That means the door will stop where it is at that moment. So on the second line, we need to have an open switch. Yeah, you need to open. Then you're gonna press the switch, and then once you press the switch, you're gonna tell the PLC to rush the internal register, the open flag as internal register, and enlarge the close flag. That means this kind of interlock to let the PLC have some kind of interlock, so that you're not going to have the two movements at the same time. So another thing is, let's say on the rank 2 you need to cross, you need, that means like a switch to cross, and this one will let you this time unlatch the opening flag. That means tell the PLC to unlatch this internal contact. Then you will also latch the close flag, because this time we are closing. You need to latch. Then nothing else will interrupt it. So on number 3, so I will need to use the contact from open flag. This rank is for opening, but the main thing that will let us know that we have really opened our circuit, our door, is the limit switch. That's the very important sensor, like sensor we have, just to let us know that we have arrived at the very end. So that means this one, once we reach there, we will stop this motor up. That means we are opening. So on Langa 4 we're gonna use the cross flag. Let's say we're crossing, we have latched the cross flag, we're crossing, we use this one, and it has latched the crossing contact. Here we need to use its contact from here, just to let us to make sure that PLC is connected, and it has really flagged the information from this switch. So once we close, we're gonna have to let the power pass from this side, and we're gonna start our motor down. So that means we are closing. So once we reach the end point down, we're gonna need to use this one. This one will let us know that we have reached the our limit. So that means we open, and that way we're gonna shut down this motor. So that's the way you can design your automatic warehouse door. And yeah, let's go online and see what can what will happen once we do our simulation. Okay, like that we go online, and we will need to use our IO, input and output, just to do some simulations. So what we have here, we have an stop. We have an stop here. That means the stop 00 at this location. Yeah, so once we hit this button, we stop everything, we unlatch everything, nothing will move. We say stop where you are. This is an emergency case, or we don't want to do it. So the second circuit is, the second line is open switch. It is here. So once we hit here, we mean that we want to open. We're gonna latch the open flag, tell the PLC we want to do that, and the PLC from its command will let us cross this one, and that time we're gonna have our motor going up, be opening. So on the third line we're gonna have the cross switch, which is here, and once you hit here, we're gonna tell the PLC to unlatch the opening flag and latch the close flag. So once you do that, this one is latched. That means this one is no longer in. We're gonna close this one here. This is being closed internally by the PLC. And once we no longer get on that switch, the limit switch, we're gonna have our motor down till we get to the lowest point. Yeah, that's all. So let me just try to open, and you wanna see. Yeah, once I do that, you're gonna see that our motor is on. Motor up is on. So it's gonna go up till we hit here. Let's suppose we hit here and the limit switch is open. That means we're gonna need to open the limit switch 3 on number 3. That way the motor is off, and it's gonna stay off the moment we open the door. It needs to stay there. That's the controller. Yeah, that's the controller, the sensor for this circuit. So let's say we need to get some emergency. We need to remove the power. Once we hit there, you no longer have any more power into this circuit. So let's say we need to close. That's the second case. So that's like 1 input data 2 here. We're there. So again, let's hit cross switch. Directly you're gonna unlatch open flag, and you're gonna latch the cross flag. Once you latch the cross flag, you're gonna the police is gonna close this one for us. Then the limit switch will be in normal closed as long as you didn't reach the lowest down point. Then our motor will be on till we reach there, and let's say we reach there. The limit switch is at which point they're gonna change the position. That is 4. Let's say we reach there, the motor will be off. Yeah, that's the way. And let's say it was let's say we need to have the emergency case. We will remove the power that way. That's how we this circuit generally will work. And yeah, I mean, there is the other way we can modify how we have designed this interlock circuit, because in this case the interlock are very important, because you don't need to see all the motor going in at the same time. So you can use the other method for the interlock. You can use different contacts from, yeah, that one you can do it next time, but for this moment we can help this one as a simple automatic warehouse door. So till the next time, let's catch up together. Bye for now.